kitty friend! I'm so glad to see you! I'm so happy I could jump for joy! Here's what happened. It's Crocodile's birthday. He's been dreaming of a gift for my workshop, but I haven't made one for him yet. Can you help me? Perfect! Come on! Choose a toy for us to make. Whoa! Whoa!
F. F. O. O. U. 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 F. O. UFO.
Meow, meow! What a wonderful present you've made! Look at that smile on Crocodile's dial! Thank you so much! Perfect! Now we can read all the letters! Yahoo! A new letter has arrived! Tiny Tiger likes Playful Fox, and he wants to make her a surprise. Let's help the little guy. Choose a present for his friend.
N. U. S. Sun.
That's perfect! Well done! I even have goosebumps! Wonderful, Witty Kitty! You're a master of creation! At long last, I found someone with talented paws! Hooray! Hooray! We're doing great! We have mail again! What a pity! Hippo pulled apart his toy train, and now he can't fix it. Let's help the curious little guy and fix his toy.
O. V. L. E. O. L. O.
Low.
T. I. T. I. V. E.
Tiv.
M. M. O.
Mo.
C. O. C. O.
K. motive.
Locomotive.
Choo-choo! The train is on its way to Hippo. Choose a left.